Right, you three, I got a little favor for you. I want you to take these into the truck and go all the way to the building, okay? Got it. What? Got it.
Damn it! I got it, Your Majesty.
I got it, ugly.
Okay, the truck is ready. Is all items clear? Everybody? Okay, cars? Check.
I want candy! I want that candy!
Jack, are you ready to go?
I'm ready, Super Jarvis Kingsley. Ready when you are, Donkey.
I want the candy! I want that candy! Hey, let me in the front, goddammit! Super Jarvis Kingsley! Uglies! Let me in! Ooh! What's this pedal do? I'm a steering wheel!
Don't stop! Donkey, don't be a dick right now because I'm not gonna let you. Donkey, you're making me drive me dangerously! Donkey, stop! You're gonna make us crash!
I wanna run and grab this thing to the building!
Donkey, no! Help! Donkey, you are such an idiot!
Barry,
I'll be right back for a second, okay? You better do no, Donkey! Not so fast, you're not going to do that, okay? You really are being a dick right now, and I'm not gonna let you be any more stupid, you goddamn punk!
That's right. I agree with Super Jarvis Kingsley, Donkey. You will not get any free weapons to blow this truck, or the Queen will be angry. Do you understand? Donkey, do you understand?
no! I'm gonna go grab an RPG!
Donkey, don't you dare make us run to the mine! Donkey! Don't you think about it!
I'm going to run you into the mines! Oh wait, where are the gas? Rocket!
Donkey, don't you think about it, Donkey! Donkey, you're going to... Donkey, no! 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 Hello everybody, Super Jarvis Kingsley here, and I just want to let you know I haven't been making any videos for a week, so I'm very sorry because my old computer broke, so I had to get a new one. So just want to let you know, thank you for waiting very patiently. I'll make sure I upload more Plus videos recently and more Gmod videos. So thanks a lot, guys, and I shall see you next time. Bye bye, and have a good day.